Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Ka tanat jongka koi ka khia. Hadu menta kadang duna sahadu shispa arpuingut ki doktor specialist ki baladep pentebet shu iladie hakbai dei bakajing sumar ki pat ba nongpang hakajela bro kawe. Yakini la penteb dau sembut menteri rangba jongka jela ba Preston Tensong habai keren ba kila patai kubor haka nyotrek unok pra arajar arpau hadien belawai kajing elang jongka kunhun menteri. Uba Preston ulayat hu ru ba ka kunhun menteri kala menjur ya kajing terwa jongka nat ka koi ka khia ban pha pentebet shu ya ki doktor MBBS hakaba kendopla ban kam penjanai yakakam syakri ki patba hakajela.
You are all aware those MBBS who wanted to continue their further studies as PG or as specialists, they can go outside the state and then their duration of studies is more or less 3 years. So today I'm happy to inform you that Health Department has proposed diploma training course for the MBBS, which is more or less, of course, below the specialist, but of course they will be called also specialist. Those MBBS who wanted to continue in their study for specialization, they can do that. And then today, the proposal submitted by Health Department, it is approved that henceforth those MBBS who wanted to continue their further studies within the state, the government will create and set up a training center which is recognized all over the state. And the duration of this training is for 2 years, not 3 years. It is 2 years term. And after completion of this training, they will be called a specialist. But of course, below the normal specialist, where they need to go outside the state in different medical college. So this is a good news to the medical fraternity, where from now on they'll be able to continue their studies for 2 years. As you also know, we have huge shortage of specialist doctors. As of today, the shortage that we have is not less than 121 numbers of specialist doctors. So with this initiative taken by the government, I am sure after 2 years from now, we will be able to have our own specialists, maybe 20, 30, according to the academic year which they start, and within no time, I'm sure we will not have any kind of shortage on the specialist doctors. The cost, which is, I should say, recurring expenditure which needs to be spent by the state government annually will come to around 55 to 60 lakhs. 55 to 60 lakhs. And then the initial investment, because we need to create infrastructure, that again it will come not less than 2 crores rupees. That is specifically only for the people of the state, not for outside the state. Because see, those people who already in service, I think the service rule allows them to go as on study leave, and then they enjoy their salary also. Okay.
How many seats will be there for the?
That all the details will be worked out. But I'm just telling you, we will try our best to increase it to make it minimum 30-40 annually.
Hakani kajing elang ka kunhun menteri kala menjuru i kajing terwa jongkat nat ka koi ka khia ka bawan ra ya ka draft jongka Meghalaya Nursing Council Rules 2020 and Regulation 2020 hadien baladep shna ya ka an nadu usnam kat khandai spa khandai puar.
In fact, the Meghalaya Nursing Council Act 1992 was notified, and till today, the rules was not framed, and accordingly, today rules and regulations was drafted by the department concerned, health department, and the cabinet is pleased to approve the drafted rule proposed by health department.